welcome to my channel. Today I'm at Zanzibar. I'm having a tour of the island. So I'll go to different places like a few museums, and then I'll go to the spice market. You will join me. There are so many tourists in Zanzibar.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon. So it's gone, it's gone. Now we both
So Wonders is where the Sultan used to live, and was the first house that was used electricity, and the name comes from those wonders, like using of electricity in such a time when it was built, and it was a high-rise building then, so that's where the name comes from. I hope next time I come it will be finished, but I feel they should leave it as it is.
Here we find Zanzibar food, Zanzibar pizza, and everything here.
Okay.
Yeah.
and I know you would say I gave up way too soon. So it's gone, it's gone. Now we both moved on. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. Baby, let it be. Enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.
And this is the original which he was using all the time. The swords, logs, and dagger is the original, and this was for the security.
Oh,
This is original, yes.
okay. This bedroom, it was so massive. As a sea view balcony. The Anglican Cathedral, Zanzibar. It's one of the first churches in East Africa. This is the altar.
Yeah.
turmeric plant.
Look bigger. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the fruit. So you tell me what it is. So color like this, yellow, and you're ready to harvest. So inside the white flesh to eat for fruit like a bonbon. Yes, we use it good for wedding, this one. Yeah, we use a lot, yeah. So this is the henna root. We use it for medicine, for abortion, for pregnancy, clean the babies, the stomach. But the real is only 2 months and it's 3 months, babies come out. Okay, so now we are here to see more spices. You see? Tell me what it is. Pepper. And then good for cooking tea masala. Also sometimes to dry this in the sun. After to dry, it's change color brown and like this.